Welcome to Code Miraki. In this video we are going to learn how to reverse integer and string without using built-in functions using Python. Let's jump into our Jupyter Notebook to see how to implement this. So here we are going to write two functions for that. First is for reversing the integer. Define the function reverse int. This will accept an argument that is num or n, and then we will create one output variable that will be holding the result. So we will name that output variable as reverse number, and initially it will be 0. Next, what we are going to do, we will be starting the while loop, and the value of while loop cannot be 0. Now I have to find the reminder. So just type ren, that will be num mod 10. So what this reminder will do, let's suppose I have numbers like this. So if I will divide this number by 10, then the reminder will be last number. So let's say 4 in this case. So that is what we are going to get here. Next we have to do reverse number equals to reverse num multiply by 10 plus reminder. So let's suppose we have reminder as 4 here. So and the reverse number value is 0. So 0 will be multiplied by 0 and plus 4. So it will come like 4. Next we have to do is we have to reduce the number by one digit. For that we will do n equals to n divided by 10. So this double divide sign will return me only integers. So let's suppose the number is like this. Now the last digit will be removed, so it will remain like this one. So that's how this will keep on happening. And now once we have all the numbers reversed, the number will become 0. So the loop will terminate there, and what we want there is we want to return the reverse num. So this is the simple program. Number is 1 2 3 4. Print reverse int number. Let's run it. So you can see that we had 1 2 3 2 3 4. Now we have 4 3 2 3 2 1. Let's take some simple number. Let's suppose it's 1 2 3. It will go ahead and do 3 2 1. So in this way we can write the program for reversing an integer. But there is a flaw in this program. What is that? Is if the user has provided a negative number, then what will happen? So we will not get the expected result here. In that case, what we are going to do is we will be creating one variable. It's a boolean variable, so we will just assign it negative equals to n smaller than 0. So this will hold the value as true or false. So if the number is smaller than 0, this will be holding false. And another thing that we are going to do is we will be using the ABS function that will be converting any negative number to a positive number. So in this way, although the number is negative, it will be turn out to be a positive number here. While returning, we want to make sure that we get this minus sign there. So we will be just adding minus sign here, minus reverse n if the number is negative. Oops, sorry, I have added double if here. So this will be returned if it is negative. That means if negative is true. So this will be holding true if the number is negative. Else return the normal reverse num. So if the number is negative, it is going to add this minus sign there. Otherwise it will be returning it without minus sign. So let's go ahead and run our program once again. Alright, so this went into an infinite loop. That's why it's not running. So we have to terminate this one. Let's just copy it, delete the cell, paste it here. Or maybe I have to just restart the kernel once again. Alright, let's run it. So now you can see that we have successfully handled the negative numbers also. Let's jump into the second part of this program, that is reversing a string. So to reverse a string, we will define a function. Let's give it a name reverse str and accept an argument as s. Then we have to create an empty string first, that is reverse s equals to, this is an empty string that we are going to update it in later. So we will be reversing it based upon the index numbers. So just find out the index is equal to length. Whatever the length will be, we will just minus it by 1 So let's create one test case also, just to understand it better. We'll just try a string equals to Meraki. So the length of this string will be, let's just print it quickly, print length string. So the length of this string is 10. So we want to run the loop till 9th step because it will start from 0. We will do index while index is greater than or equals to 0, reverse str, reverse s plus equals to index. So this is what we are going to update here. Now we will just do index minus equals to 1. In the end we are going to return the reversed s. Now let's go ahead and run it. So we just need to pass it here, print reverse str, and we will be passing the string here. Alright, we got some error. Let's see what it is. Cannot access local variable s where it is not associated with value, and it says on line number 5. So just check 1 2 3 4 5. Problem is here. I'm sorry, I just added extra d here. Just need to do it once again. Okay, now you can see that the string has been reversed. So we have I on the first index, earlier it was on the last index, K on the second index, whereas it was on the second last index. So in this way we can reverse the string and integer using Python. If this video was helpful to you, please do like the video. Also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.